Hey YouTube, it's me, Crew. So today I'm going to do a DIY exploding balloon if this explodes. I don't for sure know if it's going to explode because I've never tried this. So first you are going to need any color balloon, a water bottle, baking soda, and vinegar. So if you don't know what happens whenever you mix baking soda and vinegar, it kind of creates a volcano, The baking soda and vinegar mix, I don't really know what scientifically happens, but it gets bigger and bigger. So I'm going to try this into a balloon. So first, we will take our measuring cups. Measuring. We're going to do 1 teaspoon. Sorry, we're going to do the vinegar first. If I can get it open. Okay, I got it open. Do you know where the funnel is? The funnel? No, I can edit this out. Okay, so I'm just going to do this over the sink. I can't find my funnel. So, I'm gonna, okay, not over the sink then, okay. So we just wanna, oh, that vinegar's strong. Just wanna pour a little bit in there. About that much. So, okay. Then we are going to put the balloon around the cap. I really hope this doesn't break. And then we're just going to pour it into the balloon. Now the vinegar is inside of the balloon. You might have to squeeze it a few times. Okay, so the vinegar is inside the balloon. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to take just if I can find a smaller measuring. Okay, we're just going to take a little bit. Okay, Lincoln, can you come get the camera? And we're going to go outside. I'm going to explode this.
Are you editing this?
Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm outside now. My brother Lincoln's filming. So I got the baking soda and vinegar. The vinegar is still in the balloon, so I'm gonna come down here. So here's what we do. Lincoln, your hand's blocking the camera. Point it down towards me, don't drop it. Keep going down. Down. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. We're going to take 1/4 teaspoon. We're going to, or maybe a little less. I'm just using this because I can't find anything else. And then we're just going to put a little bit in there and then close it up. And it starts to fill up. I don't know if it'll explode, but it's going to fill up. It's probably not going to explode, but, oh, okay, well, here's volcano. Kinda. Did it see it? Did it see the volcano? Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Hit the pause button.